Let's do a deep dive into the Campfire ring. The Campfire ring gives a real comfortable, kind of a little more rustic, a little more casual kind of a feel for you and your family. The cost ranges are going to be relatively tight. The major differences are going to be the type of stone we select and then the type of paving we do or don't put around the Campfire ring. So we're starting off with some large granite boulders or large outcropping stone that forms the circle and helps keep the fire contained. We'll bring in a steel log grate so we get better combustion, better airflow for the wood, so we get a really good hot burning fire. And then really your issue is, what do we sit on? Because we obviously want to have chairs pulled up close to the fire because that's comfortable. Do we just have lawn through that area and we're just kind of moving our chairs around, or our chairs moving around the lawn as we cut? Perfectly acceptable to do that. In this particular image, we've got a crushed granite gravel, which is that nice crunchy underfoot gravelly feel. It's real cost effective and very nice to live on. So our Campfire ring, you know, it's a $3,500, maybe $4,000, $5,000 ring, depending on the type of stone that we select. And then our paving and exterior seating surface will determine the rest of the cost. This is a great cost-effective way to bring fire into the garden. Many times we'll actually have two fire features in a garden, and we'll set up a council ring or campfire ring out as a destination. So it's out in the back corner of the property. It's a place to go and have, you take the whole bag of marshmallows when you go out there, not just one on a stick. So it's kind of a nice destination, certainly fun for the family.